It happened. We did a show this morning, and we didn't talk about the Federal Reserve, other than when I said to my squawk on the street colleagues, isn't it great not to talk about the Federal Reserve? Meta commentary doesn't count. So on a day when the Dow advanced 131 points, the S&P gained 0.61%, and the Nasdaq jumped 1.28%. I want to talk about an amazing change, and it's in the ether. The idea that we won't have to care so much about what the Fed does to help or hurt business, or even what they say. Instead, we can focus on what business will do to help you. Ever since COVID, we've had to deal with these endless hand-wringings about what the Fed will or won't do. As the pandemic raged, the Fed cut rates and cut rates. Their every move reverberated through the stock market, sent it soaring. Then when the Fed switched to being restrictive, it created a bear market in 2022, knocking out hundreds of companies that had just come public, stunting the growth of many domestic companies. When the Fed switched directions again to easing last September, lots of stocks went up, only to go back down when it turned out that the bond market wasn't playing ball. We got this weird market where we started doubting the Fed's every move because the bond bullies kept contradicting it. The Fed cut short rates only to see longer-term rates go higher. Lots of back and forth on that one crazy moment, but you had no choice. See, because under Biden, when it came to stocks, Jay Powell and his merry band of governors and regional presidents, well, they were the only game in town. But then President Trump takes office, and suddenly we don't really care what these Fed heads have to say. Who were they anyway? You know why? Because it may not matter anymore. Sure, interest rates always matter. That's not going to change. However, out here, it feels like we may be back in the world that I remember. A world where the Fed only plays a role at extreme moments. A world where we don't have to guess and guess and guess their next move or even listen to what the regional governors are saying because it won't be that important in the margins. Lots of times the Fed might have a bias, but it hasn't always had that much impact on the action. The Fed always had the last word under Biden, though.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.